Hello students, in today's video of structure of atom chapter we are going to talk about de Broglie's proposal of dual behavior of matter, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, quantum mechanical model of an atom and Schrödinger equation. Now de Broglie's equation. Children, de Broglie proposed that the matter exhibit dual behavior. That means any matter is having the property of particle also, and it is also having the properties of wave also. And he also said electron should have momentum p, a property of particle, as well as wavelength lambda, which is a property of wave. He gave the following expression, which is lambda equals to h upon mv, or lambda equals to h upon p. This means that electron should have momentum p, this because it is having mass, and it is also having a wavelength also, which is a property of wave. Children, de Broglie's prediction was confirmed by so many different diffraction experiments also. Then Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It was given by Werner Heisenberg in 1927, and according to this, it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum of an electron, and electron is a moving microscopic particle with absolute accuracy. In other words, you can say that the position and momentum of an electron cannot be determined with the same certainty. If the certainty is of determination of one property of the two is high, it means that the uncertainty of its determination is low. Or you can say that either you can surely tell about its position or the momentum or that of on that position of an electron. Mathematically, Heisenberg said that this is the mathematical expression which used to be given for the uncertainty principle, and that is delta x multiplied by delta px greater than equal to h upon 2 pi. Here delta h is uncertainty in position and delta px is uncertainty in momentum. A further implication of uncertainty principle is that for an electron having certain energy can only determine its probability as at a particular point x around the nucleus. And children, this Heisenberg principle was very much adapted for explaining the model of an atom, and in further development quantum mechanical model of an atom was proposed, and it was done by Heisenberg and Schrödinger. Let's talk about it. Quantum mechanical model of atom. For explaining the model of an atom, a new branch of science was developed which is called as quantum mechanics, and it was developed by Werner Heisenberg and Erwin Schrödinger, and they have developed this branch on the basis of uncertainty principle and wave motion respectively. Schrödinger developed a fundamental equation of quantum mechanics which incorporates wave particle duality of matter. The Schrödinger equation or wave equation is written as h cap psi is equal to E psi. H is a mathematical operator called Hamiltonian, and psi is the wave function. E is the total energy of the system. Now we will learn Schrödinger equation. Children, when Schrödinger equation is solved for hydrogen atom, the possible values of energy that the electron may have along with the corresponding wave function are obtained. As a natural result, after solving the equation, set of 3 quantum numbers were determined, and set of 3 quantum numbers characteristic of quantized energy levels and the corresponding wave functions are obtained. Those 3 quantum numbers were principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, and magnetic quantum number. The solution of Schrödinger wave equation led to 3 quantum numbers and successfully predicted the features of hydrogen emission spectrum. Children, splitting of spectral lines in multi-electron atomic emission spectra could not be explained by such model. These were explained by Uhlenbach and Gaudsmit, who proposed the 4th quantum number, which is called as spin quantum number or electron spin quantum number, and it is designated by Ms. Children, wave function psi as such do not have any physical meaning. The probability of finding an electron at a point within an atom is proportional to psi square in the neighborhood of that point. This is all about the Schrödinger equation we should know, children. Now, atomic orbitals and quantum numbers. Children, many wave functions or atomic orbitals form the basis of quantum mechanical electronic structure of an atom. Various orbitals in an atom differs in size, shape and orientation with the respect to the nucleus, and it totally depends upon the value of psi square. Children, each orbital is designated by 3 quantum numbers labeled as N, L and Ml, and each electron being assigned with 4 quantum numbers, that is Nl, Ml and Ms. Children, if we talk about all 4 quantum numbers, the first quantum number, that is principal quantum number, will give us information that this electron is belonging to what shell. It will give us the identification of the shell. Azimuthal quantum number, it is also called as subsidiary quantum number or secondary quantum number, and it is denoted by L and give us the information of the subshell where the electron is present. Third, magnetic orbital quantum number, used to be designated by Ml, gives us information about the relative spatial orientation of orbital in a subshell. And the 4th quantum number, that is electron spin quantum number, specify the spin state of electron in an orbital. An electron spins around its axis. It imparts spin angular momentum to the electron. So children, this is about the atomic orbitals and quantum numbers. Quantum numbers will be studied elaborately in the other video of this chapter. Thank you children.